What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Chevy Life 85, and we are back with another video. And today we about to open up a little package that I got. Well, I can't even say it's a package, it's something I went and bought that I needed for some upcoming projects. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the video, get this thing opened up. Now, y'all already know, before I get into the video, I'd like to say thank you to everybody who has subscribed to the channel. We're gonna keep moving and grooving, and we're gonna keep going up. And if you ain't did it already, go ahead and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to hit that subscribe button so we can continue to grow. We are 30 something away from 2,000. So let's push and make it to 2,000. And we ain't gonna do nothing but keep going up. And make sure you drop your boy a comment, hit that like button, and share it to all your platforms if you can. Now, we're going to go ahead and get into this package, man. I'm going to take y'all through, opening it up. And I might even record me using it today because I really need to use it. So I might go ahead and record me using it. But I went ahead and bought this well-needed welder. Now, this is a welder for beginners. I am not a welder. I have welded on things previously, but I am not a welder, so this is a welder for beginners. I'm going to use this maybe on a couple cars because I do got some things that I need to get fixed. But this is your Chicago Electric Habor Freight Welder. Caught it on sale. Normally $99. I got it for $85 because they was running 15% off. So had to jump on it. Didn't want to miss out on the deal. So we're gonna definitely get this put to work because, like I said, I got some things coming up, and it's definitely gonna be used for. So we're gonna go ahead and do this unboxing. Got some screws. Definitely gonna have to put something together. Got your instructions, handles, cleaning brush. So we're gonna go ahead and pull that off. So handle, cleaning brush. And I don't know what this is, but I'll figure that out shortly. And then we're gonna take this boy out the box. Give me a minute and I'll be right back. All right, so we got the boy out the box. As you can see, electric welder, no gas, and it's flux. So it says the perfect welder for outdoor use and on dirty metals. So hopefully it does what I need it to do. All right, let's set on the stuff. So, take it up out that plastic. All right, so we're gonna take it up out that plastic. Take a look at everything. That boy almost fell off the table on me. Hold on now. Hold on. All right. That boy had almost fell off the table on me. So, all right, man, we back in action. I got that welder coming up, adding to my collection. So, come with the trigger. Let's see. It's supposed to be 6 feet. So, and it's a flux welder. It's not a MIG and flux welder. It's just a flux welder. So remove tip before feeding through new wire. Boom. So This supposed to be 6 feet. That's your plug. And that's your ground. These are the instructions. Assemble cover handle. So basically it's telling you how to put it together. You see that? So we definitely gonna use that when putting it, feeding the wire through. Then go ahead and purchase my wire. Boom, Flux core 30. So we do got that wire. Like I said, we got some plans coming forward. So we're gonna put this boy to use. Alright. So we got one screw, a nut, and then this is the tip. So I don't know if this is a second tip or what. Let's go ahead and find out. Nope, yep, it's a second tip. There's one already in there, so this is a second tip. So let's go ahead and put these handles on. So that handle, and that look like it just popped in the back. So we're gonna get that put on. And I don't even know what this for right here. Oh, that's for the shield. So that's for the shield that it come with, which I don't even think I saw it. That's somewhere. All right, so I am gonna put this together. So you gotta press that button in. Hold on. All right, so we got the handle on. So we got the handle on. Next, we're gonna get ready to add in the wire. So let me turn it. All right, so we're gonna get ready to add in the wire. So assemble cover handle, did that. Install flux core wire spool sold separately. Install wire through both wire liner and clamp it into the feed mechanism. I done added a whole word. See manual of changing wire size. All right, so according to this, we need to take this off. Open this. Okay. So set that. Ooh, dang. That boy fell down. All right. I'm dropping stuff. I bet. Got that in now. I don't know how far I need to screw it back on. Do I need to screw it all the way down to the feed plate? I don't know, guys. I'm gonna figure that out in a minute. All right. Take tip off, nozzle, take off nozzle and tip, plug welder in, turn it on, and squeeze the trigger until the feed comes out. So, one, I need to finish doing this. All right, so we're gonna open this up. All right, guys, so we got the wire fed through. Got it locked back down. Now, when you put this on, you don't put the top of the wire, which give you all the wire information up. You put it face down. Now, I got it plugged up, and I'm going to turn this up. This is the speed, so I'm gonna turn this up to about 6 or 7, and we're gonna turn it on. All right, let's see if it feed through. Boom. All right, so we got it fed through. So I'm gonna cut that, and then I'm gonna put the tip back on. All right, so I got the tip back on. So for my first weld, it ain't focus. Focus. So for my first weld, I'm gonna weld without the tip because I'm welding the screw onto a bolt, and I'm gonna show y'all that once I get outside to the vehicle. Well, I'm welding a nut onto a broken bolt. So I'm gonna show y'all that once I get out to the vehicle. So give me one moment. All right, guys, so this is the Yukon, and this is my back seat seatbelt screw. Oh, hold on, I ain't got the camera on. This is my back seat seatbelt screw. So I tried to weld a nut on here before at work, but it did not do right. So we're gonna try it again at home, which is one of the main reasons that I bought the welder. Dang, getting tongue tied. So hopefully, and I don't. I had the dang on extra bolt. I gotta find it. So I had a bolt that I was welding on here. What I did with it, I do not know. What I did with that bolt at this moment, guys, I do not know what I did with that bolt. So, that's the game plan for the welder. My first use is to weld a nut on that bolt so I can get it out, put my back seat back in, and replace the bolt. So once I find the nut that I have for it, I'll cut you guys back on, and we'll get to work. All right, YouTube, so we checking back in. Now I finally got this bolt. Let me go out, get some better light for y'all. So I finally got this bolt out. So, now it don't look good because I am not a welder. I am not a welder, guys. So I finally got this bolt out. So this was rusted in to my seatbelt holder, and I finally got it welded up. And finally got it out. So I used the Chicago Welder. So worked pretty good to me. So my next two projects I got that I'm gonna do is this is gonna be my next project on the Yukon. Hold on, let's see if I can get you a better view. So that dent right there, I'm gonna cut this out. I'm gonna buy a replacement. I'm gonna cut it out and weld the new one there. And then the panoramic roof. So, panoramic roof. I'm gonna be putting this in the Cadillac. So that's gonna be my 2 next welding projects. So the Chicago Electric welder, that is worked pretty good for me for my first time using it. I'm not a welder, so I am experimenting, and I am experimenting on my own things. So it worked pretty good to me. Like I said, I got the next 2 projects that I am going to use it for, and you will be coming along on the ride with me. So stay tuned. If you're in the market for a welder and you're a beginner just like me, the Chicago welder is a choice that I would go with. Does not cost as much as all the other welders, and it's an at-home use welder. So you ain't got to worry about adding stuff to your power box just to power the welder. At-home welder, work good. I'm out. Peace. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe and like button.